Brave Rewards is a feature of the Brave browser that allows you to earn money by viewing privacy-respecting ads and interacting with the web. Here's how you can make money using Brave Rewards. Install Brave browser. Download and install the Brave browser on your computer or mobile device. Brave is designed to block intrusive ads and trackers, providing a faster, safer browser experience. Enable Brave Rewards. Once installed, enable Brave Rewards in the settings. This allows you to earn basic attention tokens by opting into privacy-focused ads. These ads appear as notifications and respect your privacy, unlike traditional ads. Earn BAT by viewing ads. As you browse, you'll receive notifications for ads. When you engage with these ads, you earn BAT, Brave's native cryptocurrency. The more ads you interact with, the more you earn. Use BAT for tips or donations. You can use the BAT you earn to support content creators or websites by tipping them. This is a way to give back while using the platform. Withdraw BAT or convert to cash. You can withdraw your BAT to your crypto wallet or exchange it for other cryptocurrencies or fiat money through platforms like Binance or Uphold.